Hi, I'd just like to talk a little bit now about insomnia in pregnancy, which is no joke at all. Sometimes people have insomnia because, they just wake up and they can't get back to sleep. Obviously, that is insomnia, but sometimes it might be that you've just woken up to go to the loo, which is perfectly normal when you're pregnant, but then when you go back to bed, you can't get back to sleep again. So some people can be awake for a short period of time. Some people can actually be awake for a long period of time and actually getting up and kind of roaming around the house in the early hours. So obviously, if you're pregnant, you really need that sleep, especially if, as many women that I see in my clinic are working full-time jobs, you might already have another child. So you really don't want to be tired and not sleeping on top of that. It's already quite uncomfortable sometimes, depending on what stage of pregnancy you're at. So really, insomnia is no joke, and you do not want to have a new baby already being on the back foot and already being tired and exhausted. So the good news is that acupuncture is great for treating insomnia in pregnancy, and we actually have many different pattern differentiations. So there are different Chinese diagnoses depending on what your other types of symptoms are. For example, we might have one like liver yin deficiency with liver yang rising. So you might be feeling a bit angry and frustrated and irritable, as well as having insomnia, and obviously the two are linked. Feeling tired is not going to help with any of those symptoms. So if you have that pattern, for example, then when you come for your pregnancy acupuncture, your liver will be treated, and also, your practitioner should talk to you a little bit about lifestyle. So we can really help a lot with insomnia. You don't have to suffer. It's better to come for treatment as soon as it starts to happen and just nip it in the bud. It's also quite good to get a little bit of gentle exercise if you can manage it, because I do find that being physically tired does kind of help with the sort of mental tiredness, and it also just gets the chi and blood moving around the body. So acupuncture is brilliant for pregnancy insomnia, and you don't have to suffer.